Hello everyone, welcome back to you in this new video. Let's start with the biggest myth about ENCA exam. Most students think it's open book, so it must be easy. This is exactly where things go wrong. Yes, NCA exams are open book. You can carry your notes, material, and references, but in hard copy or in books copy forms, okay, but the exam is not testing what you can find, it is testing how you think. The question are application based. That means you are given a problem and you have to apply legal principle to solve it. Now imagine this: you have limited time, complex questions, and a lot of material. If you keep searching during the exam, you will learn out of time. That's why many students fail, not because they didn't study, but because they misunderstood the exam. So remember this clarity: open book does not means easy. It means you need a better strategy, better structure, and fasting thinking. Now let's understand what the actual exam looks like. Typically, NCA exam are written exams. They're online or in person depending on the exam cycle. The duration is usually around 3 to 4 hours. You will get around 3 to 5 questions, and each question is not a short question. It's a long fact based legal problem. These questions are designed to simulate real life legal scenarios. So instead of asking you definition, the exam asks here is a situation. What legal issue arise? How will you solve it? Behind the scene, the goal is simple. They want to test whether you can think like a lawyer. And here's key point: you will not have time to read your notes during the exam from scratch. Your presentation must already be structured in your mind. Now let's go deeper into what examiner are actually looking for. This is very important because many students write long answer but still score low. Examiner are not impressed by length. They are looking for clarity and structure. There are four key thinking they evaluate. First, issue identification. Can you correct identify the legal problem in the question? Second, rule accuracy. Do you know the correct legal principle under Canadian law? Third, application. Can you apply the law to the fact logically? And fourth, conclusion. You can give a clear and reasoned answer. Now here's the reality. Most marks are given in application, not theory. So if your answer is well structured, you score well. If your answer is random and descriptive, you low mark. So always remember, structure is more important than volume. The Now let's talk about the most important tool for NCA exams, the IRAC method. IRAC stand for issue, rule, application, and conclusion. This is the framework examiner expect you to follow. First, you identify the issue. What is the legal question here? Second, you state the rule. What law apply to this issue? Third, you apply the rule to the fact. This is the most important part. And finally, you give a conclusion. What is the outcome? Let me simplify this. A weak answer explain theory without structure. A strong answer follow IRAC step by step, clearly and logically. And here's the key insight: IRAC is not optional. It is the standard expected format. If you don't use it, your answers automatically lose clarity and marks. Now let's talk about how to actually use the open book format correctly. Most students make a big mistake. They carry too many material and rely on searching during the exam. This does not work. The right approach is preparation, not dependency. You should have short, structured summaries, well organized notes, tabs, or make markers for quick access. Your goal is simple. You should know exactly where everything is. Top performing students don't keep searching during the exam. They already understand the concept and use notes only for quick reference. So the golden rule is your brain should do the thinking. Your notes should only support, not replace it. Now let's talk about one of the biggest reasons students fail: poor time management. In a 3 hour exam, time is your biggest concentrate. Many students spend too much time on one question and then rush or skip others. A better approach is structured time allocation. For example, spend the first 10 minutes to 15 minutes reading and planning, then divided time usually across questions. If you have 4 questions, you have roughly spend 40 to 45 minutes per question. Also, didn't aim for perfection in one answer will ignoring other. In NCA exam, attempting all question increase your chance of passing significantly. So your goal is balance, not perfection. Let's now look at the most common mistakes student make. First, writing long theoretical answer without application. Second, ignoring IRAC structure. Third, poor time management, either rushing or leaving question incorrect. Fourth, over relying on notes instead of understanding concept. And fifth, not practicing answer writing before the exam. The biggest mistake is treating NCA like university exam. This is not about memorization. It's about legal reasoning. What exactly works is practicing past papers, writing answer is timed condition, and improving structure with every attempt. Students who adopt to this pattern perform much better. Finally, let's understand how marking work and how you can pass strategically. Typically, the passing mark is around 50%, all through it can vary slightly. Marks are not given for writing more, they are given for writing correctly. You get mark for identify issue, starting correct rule, applying law logically, and application carries the highest weight. So even if your answers is not perfect, you can still pass if your reasoning is clear and structured. The key strategy is simple: attempt all question, follow IRAC, uh, be clear, not complicated. The goal is not to write everything. The goal is to write what matters in the right way. And that's how you pass NCA exam confidently. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.